Hello everyone, today I am going to deliver a lecture on maximum shear force due to wheel load. So let's start how to calculate the shear force, maximum shear force due to wheel load. So we know the type of reaction. There are three type of reaction. One is reaction type influence line, another is shear type influence line, another one last one is moment type influence line. Here is the reaction type influence line. For this formula we have been seeing, and we have been seeing the shear type of influence line, that this type of diagram will be occurred and the formula will be like this. So today we will cover this shear type of influence line. Okay, so let's see. So I've been taking this from Professor Dr. Anam Sir, University of Asia Pacific, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Okay, so using similar, we can read this. Using similar arrangement in method support reaction 1, there is no change. The change is shear between a successive wheel arrived at the section given below. So we've been seeing del B equal to summation of P into D1 into P prime into E plus P naught E naught divided by L minus 1. So where summation of P is where remaining on the influence through the wheel moment, and D1 is a shifted wheel, and P prime is a new load moving instance moving distance E within the influence line, and P1 is a which shifted off section, and P naught is the moving load of in influence line of distance E naught inside. This term are illustrated one through figure and demonstrate from wheel 1 to 3 in the critical section. So we've been seeing here the wheel is given 1 to 2. The critical section is wheel 2 is in the critical section, and wheel 1 is 0.1. So between wheel 1 and 2, between the support and wheel 1, it is the E naught, and the length is throughout the beam, as we've been seeing here. But it is given in previously we've been seeing this okay, and then when wheel load another wheel is inserted W2, then W is going out 1, that's why it is called P naught. So P naught is load moving off the influence line from the distance of E net. So we have been seeing the distance of E naught, and we have been seeing the another wheel is inserted, which is P prime, as we've been seeing here. The new load is moving distance E within influence line. So this is the distance of P, and the support, this is called E, and the rest of wheel is called summation of P, and this is the length. The wheel load shear type influence line we've been seeing here. So let's start an example. So find the maximum shear point at C. This point is C for the wheel load is arrangement given below. So we've been seeing here all the arrangement is given. Okay, so I'm just taking the coordinate of x. This is 0, this is the 5 plus 8 is 13 plus 6 equal to 19, and consequently 18. And all the wheel will be seen: wheel 1 10 kip, wheel 2 10 kip, wheel 3 is 36 kip, wheel 4 36 kip, and consequently 40 number of 40 wheel is 20 kip. Okay, so let's start. How can we start? So trial 1 and trial 2, we don't need trial 1 and trial 2. While wheel 1 and wheel 2 at C, we don't check the wheel 1 and wheel 2. This is the wheel 1 and this is the wheel 2. We will not check at C this part, because this is the less value than wheel 3. As we've been seeing 10 and 10 is less below than 36. That's why we'll give the trial tip, which is wheel 3. This is the 36 at C. We'll start from wheel 3, not wheel 2, because if we calculate the wheel 1 at C, then we'll not get the will not this and will not the here the negative value. Rather than we will found the positive value from wheel 1 and wheel 2. That's why we will skip this. If I want to just showing you how we'll calculate. So let's see, I'm seeing here, but I will not in the calculation purpose in the exam hall we will skip this. Okay, let's see. Here is the same diagram, the same math I have been seeing here. So let's start trial 1, which is wheel 1 at C. So we've been seeing this stuff, wheel C at C, wheel 1 at C. Okay, so wheel 1 at C, wheel P1, which is wheel 1 load stand keep, and D1. D1 means the wheel 1 and wheel 2 distance, which is 5 feet, and we've been seeing L is the 50 into 50 plus 10, which is 60. Okay, and we have been seeing wheel 2. I'm just taking um, uh, taking a screenshot for okay. Okay, now we've been seeing wheel 3. Sorry, when wheel 1 at C, then wheel 1 to 8. So if I will when I set wheel 1 at C, then wheel 1 to 8. So we've been seeing wheel 1, if we want to wheel 1 in set in C, then we've been seeing the wheel 1 to 8. That means this point in 43. So as we've been known, this is the 10 feet already. Already we've been found here is a 10 feet, and wheel 1 we have been selected here. So 43, as we know, the 43 value is given here. So how many value will be here? So the actual value will be 10 plus 43. It will be 53. So value will be 53. Value will be 53 as if we want to set wheel 3 is here, then we can if we say 0 equal to 10, then 43 will be what? 43 will be 53. Okay, so wheel 3, when wheel 2, this is the wheel 2. If we set here, then how much we can take this? Okay, wheel 3, if we take here, if we take wheel and the wheel 2, this is the okay. I'm just saying again. I just got a mistake. Just little bit got a mistake. Okay, this is wheel 1. So wheel 1 at C, then we how many wheel will be written in 15 feet? This is the wheel 1 I will take here. So wheel 1 2, we know we have a 15 feet. So we can go to the 15 feet from here to here. So this is beyond the 15 feet. That's why we will not take the wheel 3. Rather than we can take wheel 8. This is the first. We can, when we set the wheel 1 is here, then how many we can go? We can go to the 43. 43 plus 10. So we have a 50. but we have gone to the 43, so we have a rest of 7, we have a rest of 7 feet. Okay, so uh, uh, so when we so again when we wheel 2, this is the wheel 2, this is the wheel 2, set wheel to at C. Now we're going to add C. Then how many wheel we can add it here? So there is a 5 feet, so we will go to the 50 feet. So if 5 feet equal to 0, then 56 equal to how much? If 5 feet equal to 0 equal to 5, then 56 equal to how much? So we have been seeing 52 minus 5, so it will be 47, not 47. We'll go to the 50 feet is here, so we can go almost here. I will calculate if we pose this here, position is here, 5 feet is putting 5 feet is at C. So how much we can go if 0 equal to 5, then 50 equal to what? 50 equal to 55. So 50 plus 5 equal to 55. So if 0 equal to 5, then 50 equal to 55, then we can go to the 55. So not 56, so we can take the another wheel is 9. So this is that's why we have taken the wheel 9, wheel 1 to 9. So this is the important. If you don't understand, I am saying again. Wheel 1, so wheel 1 I am taking the wheel 1 is here. So we can go, we have a 15 feet in left side, so we can rest of the take the wheel 43. So we can say wheel 1 to 8. This is under the 50 feet. And second one is problem when we take the second one at so wheel 2 at C. This is C. Then our we have already 5 feet. So we can assume then 0 equal, if the 0 equal to 5, then 50 equal to what? 15 equal to 55. So we have to go to the, we will go to the 55 feet as this is the 50 feet. So we will not take the 56. So we are taking the 55. So under the 55 we can take the all loads. So we can say to wheel 1 to 9. Okay, so that's why you can see wheel 1 to 9. Okay, let's see another where what will be the summation of load. Summation of load will be always this cross section 1 to 8. So 1 to 8 we have been taking the 1 to 8, 10 keep, 10 keep, 6 keep, so 10 into 2 keep, and 36 into 4 number 4 will end 10 into 2 and 180 keep. And we have been seen P prime, which is new load arrived. So we have been seen the new load, new wheel is number 9 is arrived. That's why the number 9 load is 10 keep. So we have been seen here 10 keep. And E3 E equal to 3 feet. How we'll get? So we have been known 5 plus 50 and minus 52. So we are taking the number wheel number 9. So let's see, here is the wheel number 9. So if we set the wheel 2 at C, then how many we go? So we have to go to the 55. But I will get the 55. I have said again and again, when wheel 2, this is the wheel 2, and we have our ordinate 5 is when we set the 0, then how much we will go as it is the 50. So if we set that 0 is 5, then 50 equal to 55. So that's why you have been taking 55. So so 55, I'm just writing here this 5 plus 55, it will be 55. And our set at number 9, uh, our set at number 9 will how much? It will be 52. It is given in coordinate 52. This is the 52 and this is the 52, as we have been seeing 52. So between 55 and 52, it is the distance of 3, nothing but. So we have to calculate this. This is the 3. So I will calculate. This is the B, point B, and the new wheel. So this is the 3. And there is no wheel is going out, so that's why there is no wheel out, so that's why 0 and E not also 0. So after this we are calculating all these value and found 6.6. so this is the positive value. So this is the positive value, so we need another trial. So I have been seen here. So trial 1, when wheel 1 at C, so we don't need the trial. And similarly wheel 2, we don't need the trial because this is the less value in wheel 3, but I am showing here now wheel 2. So wheel 2 at C, let's see what will be happen. And the wheel 2 load is 10 kip, and D1 means wheel 2 and wheel the distance between wheel 2 and wheel 3. Okay, so let's see. Let's see here the wheel 2 is wheel 2. The D1 will be wheel 2 and wheel 2, between wheel 2 and wheel 3 distance is 8 kip, and length is 60 feet is given here. And we have been seen when wheel 2 at C, we have been already seen when wheel 2 at C, then the then how much wheel will be contained? It will be wheel 9, because we have a 5 feet. So if 0 equal to 5, then 50 equal to what? Then 50 equal to 55. So we have to go. We can go to the 55, but we have a 52 late. That's why 52 is 9, number 9 wheel load. That's why we can go to the 0 to 9. Okay, so let's see another wheel 3. We will go to the wheel 3 in set at C. Then how much we can go? We have a 30. So if we take the 0 equal to 30, then 50 equal to what? 50 equal to 63. So we can go to the 63. That means here. So we can go to the wheel. We can take the wheel 11 also. So that's why we can take the wheel 2 to 11. What we have been 63. Okay. And okay. Okay, so let's see. So summation of P will be, I have already said this is the P, wheel 2 to 9. This is the cross. You can always take in cross wheel 2 to 9, and summation of P will be wheel 2 to 9, and all the load will be calculated in 195 kip. And wheel, so it will be question what will be P prime. So so we have been seeing the new load. The when wheel load is 3, wheel load is 2, then we have wheel 1 to 9. But while wheel 3 at set 3, then 2 wheel is added, is wheel 2 11. We have already 9, but it is new load is new wheel is 2 wheel is added. We have been seen in before 1 wheel is added. In before is 8 wheels, that was 8 wheel, and 1 wheel is newly added. So we have been seeing there the 2 load is added, so we will calculate in 2. So this is the first one. At first I am taking the 10, number 10 wheel load 10. So so we are saying here wheel load 10. So when we take in 10, so we can see here P prime. So this is that wheel load 10. We have been seeing here the 56 here when wheel load is 3, when wheel load is 3, we can go to the 63. So when we insert in wheel 3, I'm just erasing all things. Okay, so how much we can go to? When wheel 3 is at 3, that means 33 is already here. So 0 equal to 33, so 50 equal to what? 50 equal to 63. So we can go to the 63, but new wheel is 10, it is contain 56. So 63, between 63, here is the 63 and 56 is the new distance is E. Okay, so let's see another, which is the wheel 4. This is the wheel 4. So we have been seen here, we have been seen, sorry, wheel 4, it will be not wheel 4, it is wheel 3 is at 3, but we can take the another, which is 10. Now we'll take the 11 number wheel. This is the 11. So if we set the wheel 3 at C, that is 13. So if we calculate 0 equal to 13, then 50 equal to what? 50 equal to 63. So we can go to the 63, but our wheel 11 is situated and 60. So 60 minus 63, it will be 3. So this is 60. This is 60 minus 63, it will be 3. This is the second one, which is wheel 11, and it is the load of wheel 11, and 10 is the wheel 10 we have calculating showing here. Okay, so E2, we have been seeing the P2, which is new out of the wheel, as we've been seeing the this is the point of C. This is the point of C. When wheel 2 is set at here, then wheel 1 will be going to the 0. Sorry, it will be going to the distance we have been seen. Distance we have been seen A to C is 10. When wheel 2 is set at there, wheel 2 is set at there, then it will be, we have been found 10 feet in left, and the another left is from this point to the this point we will found to the 5 feet. This is the important, so we will get the 5 feet. And wheel 1 load we can take here 10 keep, and just maybe it is erasing. Okay, so this is the another concerning. So distance is 5 we have been taken from wheel 1 to this support, and after all the calculation we have been found 20.0 keep, so it will also positive. So that's why we will not the trial, so we will not need another trial, so we can skip in our exam. So now we'll do this trial 3, which is wheel 3 at C. This is the wheel 3 is the greater load than wheel 1 and wheel 2, as 36 is greater 10 and 10. Okay, so let's see very deeply. When wheel 3 at 3, so the wheel 3 load is 30 keep, and the between wheel 3 and wheel 4 is the distance is 6 feet, and all the length is given 6 feet, 60 feet. So now we'll calculate wheel 3 at C. So if we calculate, if we put this value here, I'm just taking another this is the same graph, so I'm erasing and trying to showing you for wheel 3. So this is the wheel 3 at C. This is the C point. Then how much we can go, as we have been known that 50 feet is confined. So if we let 0 equal to 30, as the coordinate is 30 is given here. So what will be 50 equal to how much coordinate we can go? We can go to the 63. So this is the 60, this is the 63, this is the 63. So so we can see the wheel 3 to 11 we can take this beam. Okay, So that's why we can take wheel 3, wheel 2 to 11. So now again we'll put the wheel 4 at C. Then what will be happen? We can see the coordinate is 19. So 0, if 0 equal to 19, then 15 equal to what? So 15 plus 19. So we can go to the 69. So 69. This is the 69, and it is also below the 72. So that's why we will not take the wheel 4, but thus our calculation is 69. So 69 is here, 50, 60 and 69 is here. So that's why the wheel 3 to 11. Okay. So summation of p, what will be summation of p? It is always this cross, wheel 3 to 11. So wheel 3 to 11 will take the wheel 2 to 11, all the load is here, and found 2 to 4 kip. And we have been seen and wheel the last, when wheel 3 is added there, then the last wheel is 11. When wheel 4 is at C, then and the wheel 11 is remain. So there is no new wheel is added. So that's why P prime 0 and E 0. Okay. So our question is P2. The which wheel is come go out. So this is the wheel 2. So if you see here, this is the wheel. So this is the same method, same example. This is the P2. How we will calculate P2 wheel 2? This is the wheel 2 when wheel 3 at C, as we've been seen. Wheel 3 at C. I'm just erasing again. Then what will be phenomenon? Wheel 3 at C. Then wheel 2 will be distance of 8. Yes, coordinate is given here, but we have a 10 feet is here. So if we go to the if we 8 feet is given here, then we have remaining 2 feet. So it is important. So we have to take the 2 feet from A, support from A to the wheel B. Sorry, wheel 2. This is the we always, when we will take E prime and E, we always will always take the from distance from support. In previously we have been seen, we will take the support. Okay. So in this way we will calculating all the calculating value and found the negative value, which is 13 C. So maximum shear will be shear. We have been after calculating here, we have been found negative 13.25 kip. So we can see this is negative value. So wheel 3 at C gives the maximum shear. Okay. Now wheel 3 gives maximum shear at C. So wheel 3 will positioning here. And how will calculate here? So we know the B divided by A plus B. So what is the B? B means in the left section, as if I will sorry. Okay, I'm just drawing another. This is the distance of A and this is the distance of B. So we have been see B is 50, as we have been seeing. This is the 50, this is the 50B, and this is the 50A, which is 2 into 8 is A, and 56 into 6 into 6, 8 into 5, and consequently it will be 50. And B plus B divided by A plus B, which is 5 by 6. This is the 5 by 6. And what will be happen? And this will be A divided by A plus B, which is 1 by 6. And we can take the this is the similar triangle, as we've been found 1 plus 6. And if we want to, how we'll get 0.323, as we know 10 kip, as we've been seen, 2 into 8, this is the 10 feet. 10 feet we have been found, 1 divided by 6. Then how much? This is the 2. This is the 2 value. 2 will be how much? X. So X will be 0.0.0 0.0 0.03. This is the value of 0.03. In the similarly, we can calculate this. This is the triangle. So as we have been found 5 by 6, then we can calculate for similar triangle 0.73, 0.63, 0.53, 0.40, 0.53. I'm just saying. I'm just showing one, as this is the length is 50. We've been seeing this is the 50. So we have found in 50. How much we have been found? 5 divided by 6. 5 divided by 6. Then we need to this point. So this is the another similar triangle. How much this length from this support? As we know, this is the 15, and it will be minus 6. 15 minus 6, it will be 54. Then 54 equal to what? So what and after calculation we will found the 73. Okay, this is the 73. In the same way, we can calculate the another similar triangle, similar triangle, as I am not showing again and again. Okay, so let's see how we'll calculate, how we'll get the results. So maximum shear at C, as we found, and BC max will be, we can here 10 kip is given load, and 10 2 by 10 into 1 by 6, and another one 36. This is the 36. 2 by 10, that means this is the 2, and this is the length, and this is the length of 10, which is A, length of A. 2 by 10, and 1 by 6 is a value, and 36 we've been found. We can calculate here directly, which is 30 into 0.3, 0.03. 36, this is the second time 36, and we can 5 by 6, and this is the 5 by 6, and 36 into 0.73, this is the 33 into 0.73, and 36 into 0.63, 36 into 0.3, load into coordinate, and 36 into 53, 36 into 53, and 10 into 40, 10 into 40, and in this way we calculated, putting all these value and found 112. If you calculate in this way, it will be complex, which we can take 36, 50. This is the distance of coordinate is 50 divided by 15. It will be 5 by 6. 5 by 6, it will be coordinate, and this will be not coordinate 5 by 6. We've been seen. And another we can see here, for 36 is here, and 44, the distance from left side is 44 divided by 50. 50 is a total distance in left side, right side, and 5 by 3 we've been found here. 5 by 6 we have already found this value 5 by 6. So that's why we will calculate. I'm just taking another here 36, 1 2 3 1 2 3, this 36, and it will be 50 is a length, total length, and 38 will be this point from left side to this point is 38, and 5 by 8 is the 5 by 6, it will be in the maximum. We have been found the coordinate here. In the same way, we are calculating all things. And how we will calculate 10? I just forget, I am saying again. This is the 10 feet, and 10 foot is constant. It is situated left side to 2 feet. This is the 2 feet, and total length is 10 feet. We have been seen here. B2 A to C is 10 feet, as we have been seen here. And 1 divided by 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is the maximum load is here. If we calculate here, then we take the maximum load is in here. Then the for right graph, we have been taking the all the 5 by 6, 5 by 6, 5 by 6 here. After calculating, we will get the same value is here. Same value is here. What will be take? It will be depends on you. I think this will be easier for you. You can you don't follow this. Rather than you can directly jump there. I'm just saying how we'll get this here. I'm just calculating two types. Thank you everyone. Thank you.